Yeah, it's me again, Pepperu, and this is my third reaction video. By the way, my last reaction video that was a month ago, so I really miss doing a reaction video. So now I'm going to react a group called Fourth Power from the Philippines. My kababayan, okay? This is a audition from the X Factor UK. That's international, okay? That's international audition. So this is last year audition because it says here 2015. So I'm gonna react this video right now, okay? Without further ado, let's start. I'm so excited. I'm always excited reacting a videos for you guys, okay? Let's start.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck. Whoa. Whoa, that voice. Oh my god. Look at the audience. Oh my god. Woo. Look at the judges, okay? They are like very energetic because they like it, okay? Oh my god. Oh. Yeah, oh my god, that voice. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh, that's... Oh my god. That's a pure talent, by the way, guys. The moves, the blending of the voice. What else? Look at that. Voice blending, by the way. Oh my god. Raise the roof, by the way. Look at the judge. Look at Simon. Four judges. Four judges. I think it's a landslide, by the way. It's a landslide. That was insane. The four judges likes it, okay? They standing up and doing the... What's this? What do you call this sign, okay?
Girls,
They like it.
absolutely took Wembley's roof off. You know what's funny? You came on, you're so demure. The
Demure.
music kicks in, you all turn into more little bad girls up there.
Bad girls.
And it blew my mind.
It's like all monsters, but like minute monsters.
Because they're small.
The voices.
Yeah, the voices.
And the attitude. And
Absolutely,
I'm just
the
like,
action.
I want to be their sister.
They love to be. Yeah.
Wembley, what just happened?
Yeah. What just
This
happened?
is going to blow up all around the
This
world.
audition has just changed your
Yeah.
life.
That's absolutely yes for me.
We get people saying it's the British X Factor, should it just be open to British
No.
people? And I've always said we welcome talent from all
Yes,
over the
yes.
world. And you are incredibly welcome. terms of first auditions, this is probably one of the best I've ever
One
seen.
of the best, my god. Congrats. Congrats.
Can I ask, why the British X Factor?
Because we wanted to see you.
Oh.
Apart from me, what else?
We wanted to see Queen Elizabeth.
I can arrange that. Nick, yes or no?
You're my favorite girl.
Oh, that's a yes. I know that's a yes.
See, it's a yes. From
Yeah, another yes. That's two. Two.
Badass, and it's a yes from me.
Okay,
Fourth
Simon.
power, you have the biggest 4 yeses we've ever given.
Congratulations, fourth power. My kababayan. Oh my god. They are so amazing. They are so amazing. So, yes, that's the fourth power from the Philippines. And they are amazing. Oh my god. Congratulations again, fourth power. I will end my reaction video right now. And yeah, that's my reaction. That's my reaction video from the fourth power. So they are amazing. They are talented. A pure Filipina talent. Okay. Oh my god, I'm sweating now. You can subscribe on my channel. That's free. Okay. So please do subscribe to my channel so that I can update you regarding my videos, my reaction videos. I have other playlists like my vlog. Yeah, just check my channel, okay? So thanks again, guys. I will say goodbye. So see you on my next reaction video soon, okay? So thank you.